Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day two of my 25-day makeup challenge for the month of June. And today I'm going to do another dramatic look. I'm going to do a smoky eye with some glittery detail, okay? So yeah, that's what we're about to do. If you'd like to see how I go from this to this, ooh, girl, then keep watching. So first off, I'm going to go in with some moisturizer, and I'm using this new moisturizer I got from the press bag from the Makeup Show New York. I'll do a whole haul of all the products I got from there soon. But yeah, this is the moisturizer from Pericone MD. Some of this next. This is from Smashbox, and it's a photo finish oil primer. Now they did say to apply this onto a clean face, but I didn't want to skip my moisturizer, guys. And I'm gonna apply this mostly on my cheeks, mostly where I know I want to highlight. More Prep Illuminating Veil from NYX. Okay, I've seen her apply this and it goes on so smooth. Sometimes she uses her hands, other times she'll use like a brush. I'm using my hands today and I'm just kind of rubbing this in. I'm going to look so weird while I do my eyes with all this shine and prep going on. So one of the reasons I haven't been doing a lot of makeup is because I typically feel like I don't have time. Like I'm always in a hurry to go somewhere. I'm actually in a hurry right now. So even though I'm doing a full glam face, I'm attempting to finish this look in the next 30 minutes. Okay, so let's see how that works. I'm coming in a little closer and I'm going to start with my eyes. So I'm going to do my brows different from usual. I'm trying out a few new products. The first one is Fill and Fluff from NYX. So this is the most interesting part about this pencil. So it has one of these really smooth kind of blending brushes on one end, and then on the other side it has that triangular shaped brow pencil. Okay, this will actually work. I was worried that brunette might not be dark enough for me, but I was wrong. It's doing quite nicely. So it feels weird. Obviously I'm getting a lot more of a brushing than I would typically get with a spoolie, but this should be perfect for that little blur, that blur effect that I typically like to create at the beginning of my brow. Another new one, this is a brow pencil from Damon Roberts, and it says Miss Rose. I don't know if Miss Rose is the shade. Is that the shade? Maybe it is. This is a darker shade, so I'm just going to fill the tail of my brow with this. Yes. And I'll go back in with the fluff brush. Yeah, well, as expected, I mean, this is like a blending brush, so when it comes to blending, it does a great job. I have a bit of an ombre brow going. I just wanted to make sure I still had definition, but a nice soft body because my eyes are going to be so strong. Yeah, because they look good already, but just to make them extra clean. I'm going to start with my transition. So for my transition, the main transition is going to be, okay, so this is Blazing. Okay, it's Blazing and it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm cleaning off my brush on a towel, and then I'm gonna come back in just to fade out the outer edge of that brown. It's time to go in with my black. So before I go in with the black, I'm going to tap on a teeny tiny bit of concealer. And then I'm going to pick up the black and I'm just going to start tapping it on. And then we will begin to blend. This brush is a little bit narrow, so I flipped it, and with a very, very light hand, I'm going to start blending the top. I'm quite happy with this. Okay, I like the way that looks. So I move on to eye number 2. So when I'm doing a smoky eye, I prefer to make it too low, too soft, and then go back in to intensify, than getting it too strong, too intense, too close to my eyebrow, and then pretty much being stuck after that, because it's really hard to come back from that, guys. It's tough. And my liquid liner is my trusty Epic Ink from NYX. I'm using the Italia Delux glitter liquid liner, and this is number 6. Alright, so I'm going to do my waterline next, and this is just a black pencil from Mabrook. I'm going to put in some blue, and so I'm using this eyeshadow from Inkblot. I'm using that one here, so I'm using the darkest, and I'm just going to smudge. For lashes, I'm going to go with these stacked up mink lashes. Now if you like these lashes, you will hate me, because I have no idea at this point who they are by, or when, or where I got them. I just know that at some point I had the idea to stack them. I did, and I loved them, and that's about that. Actually, while the glue begins to get tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation. Weird, because I've gotten kind of used to just going in crazy with my foundation, but I need to be careful today because I already did my eyes. Alright, so before I highlight my face, I'm gonna go back in with my lashes. Going in on my nose a little bit in an attempt to snatch my whole life away. You may have noticed I'm trying to get myself a brand new nose here. Brand new. Contouring with Pro Contour by any girl. This has been my go-to contour, I think, since I started using it really. Finally, I'm going to go in with my own shade of powder, and I'm just going to use my MAC Studio. So I think that's about that. Ooh, let's do some highlights. Today's highlight is from Melanie Mills. I'm using, this is Deep Gold. Gorgeous gold. Oh, 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 oh. I blended it. I'm gonna really blend out the edge. I want it to really melt into the browns in my transitions. I'm gonna do something new, so I'm going to line my lips first with MAC Litensity lipstick in Double Fudge. I'm going to fill the middle with Buttercream frosting from Jordana, and then I'm gonna go over that with some gloss. Super lustrous lip gloss, and this one is in Snow Pink. Oh God. That's it with the makeup challenge day 1. Guys, I'm really excited about this one. I am really going to push myself to do these 25 days. I feel like the purpose for the challenge is already being fulfilled, and it really was just to get me to play with more makeup products, a lot of which I already own, and also to experiment with more adventurous looks. I do all kinds of things when it comes to my clients, but on me, it's always the same old thing. So with this challenge, I really want to go out of my comfort zone and try all sorts of makeup styles and shades and things. So I'm really excited because it feels like that's already happening. So this was day 2. Really excited. It's going well. We're doing it. We're still here. It's still happening. So yeah, catch you on the next one.